Welcome back, esteemed viewers, to the extended exploration of the top 10 most expensive bicycles in the world. In this video, we will dive even deeper into the exquisite details of these extraordinary two-wheelers. Each bike on this list represents a harmonious blend of precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and sheer opulence. So let's continue our journey into the realm of high-end cycling, where each pedal stroke is a symphony of luxury and innovation. Number 10. The Chrome Hearts X Cervelo Mountain Bike. At number 10, the Chrome Hearts X Cervelo Mountain Bike stands out not just for its price tag, but for the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every detail. The leather-wrapped frame is not just a design choice, it's a fusion of high fashion and functionality. The leather enhances durability and provides a luxurious touch. Every aspect of this mountain bike, down to the custom suspension and gear systems, is a testament to the collaboration's commitment to delivering both style and substance. For those who seek an off-road adventure in the lap of luxury, this bike is a clear choice. Number 9. The Lightspeed Blade. At number 9, the Lightspeed Blade continues to impress with its aerospace-grade titanium construction. This isn't just a material choice, it's a statement of the bike's commitment to lightweight strength. The aerodynamic design of the frame is not just for show, it's a calculated effort to reduce drag and enhance performance. The Lightspeed Blade is not just a bike, it's a fusion of advanced materials and meticulous engineering. For those who appreciate the marriage of technology and cycling, this bike is a shining example of what's possible. Number 8. The Trek Yoshitomo Nara Speed Concept. At number 8, the Trek Yoshitomo Nara Speed Concept is more than just a bicycle, it's a moving canvas. The collaboration with renowned artist Yoshitomo Nara elevates this bike to the realm of art. Each of the 9 units is not just a collector's item, it's a unique masterpiece. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Speed Concept incorporates cutting-edge aerodynamics and a custom-painted frame, making it a racing machine that's as fast as it is visually captivating. For those who seek a harmonious blend of artistic expression and speed, this bike is an unparalleled choice. Number 7. The Montand Luxury Gold Collection. At number 7, the Montand Luxury Gold Collection continues to turn heads with its opulent design. The gold-plated frame isn't just a symbol of luxury, it's a meticulously crafted piece of jewelry on wheels. The addition of leather details and the Brooks saddle doesn't just enhance comfort, it elevates the bike to a level of sophistication that few others can match. Each individually numbered unit is not just a mode of transportation, it's a symbol of refined taste and uncompromising craftsmanship. Riding the Montand Luxury Gold Collection is a luxurious journey that transcends traditional cycling. Number 6. The Arumania Gold Bike Crystal Edition. At number 6, the Arumania Gold Bike Crystal Edition is a true jewel in the world of high-end cycling. Crafted with 24-karat gold leaf and adorned with Swarovski crystals, this bicycle is not just a collector's item. It's a work of art. The attention to detail extends to the Brooks saddle, made from the finest leather, ensuring that every ride is a luxurious experience. Limited to only 10 units worldwide, each bike is a testament to the exclusivity and craftsmanship involved in its creation. For those who seek the epitome of opulence on 2 wheels, the Arumania Gold Bike Crystal Edition is an unparalleled choice. Number 5. The Specialized S-Works McLaren Venge. Breaking into the top 5, the Specialized S-Works McLaren Venge continues to impress with its technological marvels. The McLaren carbon fiber frame isn't just a material choice, it's a strategic decision to deliver a bike that's both lightweight and rigid. The integrated disc brakes and wireless electronic shifting are not just features, they are a representation of the cutting-edge technology that defines this bike. This is not just a bicycle, it's a symphony of aerodynamics and precision engineering. Riding the Specialized S-Works McLaren Venge is an experience that seamlessly blends speed, technology, and luxury. Number 4. The KGS Bikes Bishop Witt Custom. At number 4, the KGS Bikes Bishop Witt Custom continues to redefine what a bicycle can be. This isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a personalized journey. The frame, meticulously handcrafted to the rider's specifications, ensures not just a perfect fit but optimal performance. Every component, from the gears to the wheels, is carefully selected, creating a bike that's a true reflection of its owner's preferences. For those who appreciate the artistry of customization, the KGS Bikes Bishop Wit Custom is an embodiment of individuality and high-performance cycling. Number 3. The Aston Martin 177 Factor Cycle. Stepping onto the podium at number 3, the Aston Martin 177 Factor Cycle is a true confluence of British elegance and cycling prowess. Limited to just 77 units worldwide, each bike is not just a mode of transport. It's a collectible piece of automotive and cycling history. The carbon fiber frame, combined with cutting-edge technology, ensures a ride that's not just smooth but visually stunning. Riding the Aston Martin 177 Factor Cycle is an experience that goes beyond cycling. It's an expression of sophistication and a testament to the symbiosis of luxury and performance. Number 2. The Trek Madone SLR 9-disc E-Tap. Zooming into the number 2 spot, the Trek Madone SLR 9-disc E-Tap continues to be a symbol of high-performance road cycling. The 800 series OCLV carbon frame, integrated disc brakes, and wireless electronic shifting represent the cutting edge of cycling technology. This isn't just a favorite among professional cyclists. It's a bike that redefines sleek design and innovation. Riding the Trek Madone SLR 9-disc E-Tap is an experience that seamlessly blends speed with elegance, showcasing the best of road cycling engineering. Number 1. The Bugatti PGEX Bugatti Edition. And now, claiming the well-deserved top spot as the most expensive bicycle in the world, the Bugatti PGEX Bugatti Edition continues to astound with its engineering brilliance. The carbon fiber frame, inspired by the iconic Bugatti Chiron, is not just lightweight. It's a masterpiece of design and functionality. With only 667 units worldwide, each bike is a collector's dream, representing the epitome of craftsmanship and exclusivity. The Bugatti PGEX Bugatti Edition isn't just a bicycle. It's a statement of luxury, speed, and the seamless union of two worlds, automotive and cycling. There you have it, a comprehensive journey through the top 10 most expensive bicycles in the world. Each of these bikes is a marvel of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. Whether you're drawn to artistic collaborations, bespoke customization, or the fusion of luxury and technology, these bicycles redefine the possibilities in the world of high-end cycling. May your rides be as extraordinary as the bicycles you dream of. Until next time, happy cycling. If you are like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.